Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix corrupt audio files, music or recording and so on. Before I show you how to fix the problem, I just want to go over some main situations where an audio file may not be readable. Number one situation is a wrong file extension. The file may be labeled Mp3, but it's actually another format like WAV, AAC, or even a non-audio file like Mp4 for videos, for example. The player tries to read it as Mp3, but it fails. The number two situation is corrupted file. If the file wasn't downloaded, copied, or saved properly, parts of the audio data may be missing. This can make it unplayable or cause errors like file not supported. The number three situation is the unsupported encoding. Not all players support every encoding variations. Example, some devices can't handle some audio type encoding on TVs, phones, DVDs, and other devices. Number four situation is DRM protection. Some audio files, especially from older stores like iTunes, have digital rights management (DRM), which prevents playback on unauthorized devices. The number five situation and last one is a missing codec. The software or device may not have the correct codec installed to decode that audio format. Now I'm going to share one solution that will fix most problems with audio files. First thing to check is to make sure the audio file you are trying to read is MP3. So as I said, I have two examples here. I have two files in my computer desktop. This one, so you just highlight with your mouse, you don't open the file. You will see the details of your file. This one is M4A. As you can see, item type M4A. Some devices like phones or televisions or DVDs or other or MP3 players will not read this file because it's a different extension. If I go to the second one, this one here shows MP3 file. So this one will be read by most devices, TVs, DVDs, MP3 players, and so on. But this one is a problem. When you try to open it, it's going to give you a problem. When you try to read it in another device, it's not going to work. So I'm going to show you how to fix this one. This one is not a problem because it's showing MP3. So let's fix this one. So just open a browser in your phone or your computer and look for MP3 converter. Why MP3? Because most devices will read MP3 extensions. So just choose any website. So I'm gonna go with this one. Let's open it. Then press select. And I was talking about this one, which is the problem. It shows M4A file. And just select the file, press open. Now go here, this is the name of my file. Go here and select convert to MP3, then press convert. So it depends on your file size. Sometimes if you have a large audio file size, it's gonna take hours. My audio is a very small size file, so it took something like 5 seconds. So it depends on your file. Once the file is converted to MP3, just press download here or the three dots and press download. You give it a name, new audio file, and save it. Find a location where you want to save it. So I'm gonna send it to my computer desktop. and press save. This is my new audio file and it's working. The problem should be fixed. This happens usually on televisions, DVDs. If you connect an USB pen drive with your music to a TV, DVD, it does not read your file because it's not the right extension. So you have to convert the file to MP3. For videos, it's going to be something else. You have to convert the video file to MP4 because for videos, most televisions, computers, and other devices will read MP4 extension. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.